In this video, we will learn about compounds. A compound is also a pure substance like an element. The difference is that compound is made up of molecule whereas element is made up of atoms. Molecule is formed by the combination of atoms in a fixed ratio and then it is going to form compound. So chemical compound is a pure substance formed by chemical combination of two or more different elements in definite proportion by mass. A compound consists of atoms of two or more different elements bound together chemically. Here is an example of water. Water, that is H2O, is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen which are chemically combined in definite ratio of 1:8 by mass. Let's understand this. We know that atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 atomic mass unit, and since we have 2 hydrogen over here, the mass is going to be 2. Next we have the atomic mass of oxygen, which is equal to 16, and this gives us the ratio of 1:8. So we say that water from any source is going to have a definite ratio of 1:8 of hydrogen is to oxygen by mass. Similarly for carbon dioxide, that is CO2, carbon dioxide is a compound that will contain 27.3% by mass of carbon and 72.7% by mass of oxygen. Now let's understand the characteristic properties of compounds. The important characteristic properties of compounds are as follows. First, a chemical compound is formed by chemical combination of two or more different elements in a fixed ratio by mass. For example, in water, the two elements hydrogen and oxygen are present in the ratio 1:8 by mass. This ratio always remains the same whether you obtain water from pond, well, or river, or prepare water in laboratory by chemical combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Second, a pure compound is homogeneous, that is, it is same throughout. As a compound contains same type of molecule, it has the same properties throughout and hence is homogeneous. Third is, the components of compound cannot be separated by mechanical or physical methods such as filtration or distillation. For example, we cannot separate the components of water, that is hydrogen and oxygen, by methods like filtration and distillation. Fourth is, the physical and chemical properties of a compound are totally different from those of the combining element. Again, let's take example of water. Hydrogen is combustible and oxygen is supporter of combustion, but their compound water, that is H2O, is neither combustible nor supporter of combustion. This shows that the combining element lose their identity and properties in their compounds. Next is, formation of compound is accompanied by absorption or evolution of heat, light or electricity. For example, formation of carbon dioxide is exothermic whereas formation of nitric oxide is endothermic. Exothermic means the reaction in which heat is evolved, whereas endothermic means the reaction in which heat is absorbed. Let's see the first reaction. Carbon plus oxygen gives us carbon dioxide plus heat is evolved. Since heat is evolved, this reaction is exothermic. Next reaction, nitrogen plus oxygen plus heat absorbed gives us nitric oxide. In this reaction, heat is absorbed, which means that this reaction is endothermic. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.